It's not a sort of a traditional sort of building box, so it's quite an innovative design in here.
To have such a bright environment, no matter what floor you're on, you can see what's happening on every floor. That's quite clever, I think. A centre that works well in my view. Certainly the users who are attending here will be able to get services much quicker on the doorstep locally, and really it's all about them getting improved health outcome, and I trust this building will be able to do that. It's already happening. When you change the environment of a building and you make it much more welcoming for patients, that's the immediate result you get. And if I was asked to do another project with Willmott Dixon's, definitely I would have no hesitation, so that's a good experience from my view.
The building is very, very spacious. Everyone's got their own separate departments. We've got a physiotherapist department, a dietitians, speech language therapist for children. We've got a neuro team, primary care team, and it just keeps everything focused, running smoothly.
Really delightful to walk into this building in the morning because it is so bright, it is very spacious, and I think it is a very welcoming building. Staff really enjoy being here. We've had feedback from the children, our young people, and certainly the parents who come in and say, no, this is fantastic, it's such a lovely bright building. And there is space down here. It's not a waiting area where you have to be quiet. There are activities for the children to do. They can be children, and it's important because the building is for the children and young people. So from the design phase, we moved on to then having a project board and having sort of meetings where all of us from the different agencies were represented, so that we could start that dialogue and the sort of the two-way process with Willmott Dixon, who are obviously constructing the facility here, to ensure that the signage, the rooms were exactly what we needed, that what went into them, the lighting in them was exactly what we needed for the client group or the purpose of that room. So I know that there are some things in this building that in the future, as our needs change, we could change facilities to meet other additional needs is really good, and that was extremely helpful.